Hi, my name is Vishal. In this video, I'll just show you how to navigate around the objects in the viewport. So we have certain camera movements which will help us to you know easily move around this viewport. Viewport is an empty space where you just create the objects, the 3D worlds, characters and all. So right now what you're seeing is a polygon cube sitting in the center of the scene. I just delete that model and then go to this particular menu, add mesh, and then choose monkey. Monkey is very iconic model in Blender. So you could see this monkey model here. You can alternately create monkey by pressing Shift A. Then you get a menu in the viewport itself, and then go create a monkey model here. So first camera movement is orbit. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm holding middle mouse button, click and drag, then you are able to orbit it. Okay, so you can do either of the ways. You can click and drag up and down, or down up, left right, or right left. So you can rotate that way or the opposite way, rotate down, rotate up. So you can, the whole purpose is to get closer to a particular point and then start doing something to that model. You can just hover the cursor here on the gizmo and then click and drag, then you can orbit around. You can switch to any of this orthographic view just by clicking that icon. I just clicked on X, it went to the side view. Click again on the same X, you go to the opposite of that same side view. Just click on the Y, you go to the back, click again, go to the front. Z, top, again Z, bottom. So you can navigate to the perspective again. If I press 9 on the keyboard, I switch completely opposite to the same view, which means if I'm right now in the front view, press 9, I go to the back view. So it will switch complete opposite view to the existing view. Just press, you need to press 9. Okay. I press Shift 6 here. You could see I'm getting the roll camera movement. Roll camera movement is like I'm rotating the camera in its own axis. I mean, it's like twisting the camera, I could say. Just press Shift 6 and then you do the roll. So when you are rolling that camera and you are in an odd view, you want to go back to the, or you want to reset the view, just press 3 on the keyboard. I'll just do it once again. See, I just press Shift 6, I'm rolling it. Shift 4, I'm rolling it in the opposite direction. So when I'm in the odd view, I can press 3, it will reset back to the view here. So that's how I do the roll. And I'll use Shift middle mouse button to pan. I can use this hand icon here to pan. So there are two different ways here I can do. Shift middle mouse button is one, and then holding this hand button is the other one. I can also use Control 6. I can incrementally pan to the left. Control 4, pan to the right incremental. Every time I'm pressing, it's going one step right side. So I'm continuously pressing like that. Control and 4. Now when I press Control 6, it goes to this left side of the screen. I'm pressing Control 8, it's going down. Control 2, it's going up. So this is how I do the pan here. So Shift middle mouse button, the hand icon, and then Control 6, Control 4, Control 8, Control 2. I can hold Control middle mouse button, drag. I could, zoom in, zoom out to the model. I can use middle mouse scroll wheel and scroll. I can also use plus and minus to zoom in, zoom out. You can press Shift B, then you get a cursor. Just drag onto one particular area. You can zoom in to that particular area. Shift B again, this time use middle mouse button, you zoom out. Shift B, zoom in with the left mouse, sorry. Shift B, middle mouse, zoom out. Shift B, left mouse, zoom in. Shift B, middle mouse, zoom out. Shift B, zoom out. So Shift B is common thing, left mouse is for zoom in. Shift B, middle mouse button, zoom out. So the other thing is I can press home on the keyboard, which will frame everything. If I select any particular object, press full stop in the numbers pad, a period, that will give a frame selection. Home is frame all, full stop or period is basically frame selected. Frame all is home, full stop is frame selected.